Congratulations to Ethan, aka the Smoke Alarm Fan, for reaching 400 subscribers. Nice job, Ethan, aka the Smoke Alarm Fan. You're a very good friend. So right now I got my new Firex FADC and my new Kitty i1 2010 SEO. So you should go subscribe to his channel. He's got really cool alarms. The link will be down in the description. So here we go.
Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
That FADC struggles when alarming in carbon monoxide. Alright, so I got the FADC again, and the first alert, 3120B. Here we go. And it just blinked red. So, congratulations, Ethan, aka the Smoke Alarm Fan, for reaching 400 subscribers, as I said at the beginning of the video. As I said, check out his channel. There will be a link down in the description. And subscribe to this channel as well. Thanks for watching.